Where are you going? Hello. May I interview you for a moment? No? Don't run away, the water's the other way. Shaking your tail feather? The water is in the opposite way. Okay, fine. Just take my tail feather. Hey, duck. Where are you going? You want to be a star? Hey, quack, quack. Yes, you're cute. Okay. You go to the water. I can't follow you. I won't tell anybody. Go into the water. To your right. Yes, to your right. I won't tell anybody. Just go. Yes, keep going. There you go. You're almost there. Well, a little bit. I'm sorry, just go. It's okay. See? And your friends are there too. Or your friends. No, I can't go swimming. Hey, why are you attacking the duck for? Get out of here. It didn't want it to talk to humans. He got mad at the other duck. Do you want to go swimming? I had to pray to Jesus that Herman, the duck's name is Herman, because that's what Jesus said, that Herman wouldn't attack Betty. And she's on the fence. There seems to be peace at the moment. If I pray and the duck doesn't attack me. God have mercy. The other day, a squirrel attacked me because it was near a Cuban restaurant. And I kid you not, I'm not talking about you. And the squirrel was under the table, and I thought it wanted a cafecito with a Cuban sandwich. And I pulled out my camera, and the squirrel like wanted to know what I was doing. It attacked me. I said, "Excuse me, I don't have any cafecito or nuts." I think the squirrel came to get a Cuban sandwich. No, don't attack me! No, don't attack me! Go! Go! I don't think it wants a Cuban sandwich. Shake your tail feather. All creation shall sing praises to the Lord. Okay. Hey, Petito. They're just chilling. Look how happy they are. I think they're hiding from her. Yeah, it's definitely gonna rain. This guy. I have to go back home like too sweet. Pray to Jesus that it doesn't start raining on me all of a sudden. Oh, the wind started up. Okay. I guess I'll keep you up to date when I get home. I have to walk briskly. So it's like sprinkling, and I'm hoping and I'm praying to God that Is it rain? Okay, it's not going to rain. I can slow down a little bit. Okay, it started to rain a little bit, and I just made it back. Well, seems that it's raining outside. It's really just sprinkling. The sky looked like it was gonna be worse. I hope it if it rains, I hope it rains now because I'm inside and the sky is really gray. And that'd be good for the weather, I guess. Grass and all the dry trees or whatever. If it lets up, I might go back outside later. But yeah, okay. I'm waiting for a cable to my external drive to arrive so that I can plug my videos onto there, because otherwise I have no space for anything. I have to clean off my glasses. So it is connected. I got the right cable. Great. So I'm gonna start making videos now.